Just over 30 years ago, the RAF Air Sea Rescue Helicopter Service commissioned ZOK to formulate and produce a water-based detergent that would clean their jet engines and provide a unique corrosion inhibitor, thereby maintaining their aircraft ready for active service at a moment's notice. The RAF is still a very strong customer of ZOK's. Nevertheless, since those early days, the detergent formulated for the RAF has achieved a coveted reputation for its environmentally friendly and efficient cleaning capability.
My name's Robert Johnson, and I work here at ZOK as the General and Business Development Manager. Well, ZOK's been around now for the better part of 30 years. It started life with a requirement to clean the Sea King Air Sea Rescue helicopters. And the reason for that was that they needed to be able to go out on a rescue mission at a minute's notice. And therefore they needed their engines in tip-top condition. To do that, when coming back in from a previous sortie where they may have been operating in a hostile environment, normally over the sea, the engines would need cleaning. They wanted to be able to clean them, knowing that A, it was environmentally friendly, so they wanted a water-based detergent, because that's what we do here. We manufacture a highly refined detergent which cleans any form of gas turbine engine. So 30 years ago, this is where we started out, enabling air sea rescue helicopters to fly at a moment's notice with clean, efficient, well-performing engines.
Today, ZOK cleans gas turbine compressors from any industry sector, not just the aeronautical world. From the start, compliance with stringent green regulations had to be taken into consideration when operating in sensitive geographical areas, for example oil rigs working in the North Sea.
ZOK manufactures and distributes cleaning fluids for gas turbine compressors. We're specialists in this area. It's what we've been doing for 30 years, and it is our core, our only business. Our products are used wherever you find a gas turbine. So this might be on a helicopter, it might be a fixed wing aircraft, civil or military, it might be an oil rig, it might be a gas pumping station on shore, or a power station, worldwide.
From the very beginning, ZOK has been aware of its duty to provide its customers with products that perform efficiently and cost-effectively, while at the same time protecting users and the natural environment. ZOK constantly strives to develop its water-based detergents, ensuring they always meet the exacting demands for a sustainable ecosystem. ZOK's new generation gold cleaners meet all the latest green legislation, ensuring ZOK remains one of the global brand leaders.
ZOK manufactures 4 different products, and these are to specific industry sectors. There's ZOK 27, which has a corrosion inhibitor in it. And then there's ZOK MX, which is a more aggressive cleaner. In today's environment where the ecology is so important and legislation is increasing year after year, we now also manufacture a product called ZOK Gold, which is specifically designed to operate in the North Sea and comply with the OSPAR agreement, which is the Oslo and Paris agreement, which was put together a few years ago.
ZOK started business around about 30 years ago, and we were well ahead of our time in that we produced a water-based cleaning fluid. Now, the benefit obviously of the water-based product is that it's kinder to the environment and it's kinder to the operators. And we continue, for all of those 30 years, we've stayed ahead of our time, and we intend to continue that trend. ZOK's vision for the future is to continue to develop, manufacture and distribute great cleaning products with a great environmental profile that actually work.